how to withdraw money from Sweatcoins. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Sweatcoin. This app icon looks like a broken letter S on a blue background. You can find this app on either your home screen, in the app drawer, or by searching it. After that, tap the shopping bag icon. This is the upper right corner of your screen. A page with all your shopping offers will appear. Then, tap the PayPal or Amazon reward. This will open the specific offer and instructions to purchase. After that, read how to claim. All offers will have this section and all offers will have different ways to claim. Follow the instructions listed in your how to claim section of the offer and you will need to access your email to continue. After that, tap Buy. This is located under the offers image at the top of your screen and lists the Sweatcoin price. This will redeem your Sweatcoins and send you cash after you follow the steps listed in how to claim. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.